Alright, hello everyone and welcome back. So today we're starting off on a new topic, which is that of the living environment. One of the most important questions that you can ask in environmental ethics, or just in ethics more generally, is what are our ethical responsibilities towards those non-human animals who share our environment with us? In our society, animals are treated as a resource to be exploited. They're treated exactly the same way, with the same kind of consideration that like coal or timber are treated. And a lot of us may not be aware of the extent to which this is actually true. I talk a little bit about it in the slides, and I should warn you that you're probably going to find this material to be pretty disturbing to look at, but it's important that everyone come into this discussion with a clear idea of what it is that we're talking about. Now, the extent to which animals are treated as a resource is hard to fully convey, but think about the fact that in this country alone, millions of animals every year are raised in confined factory like conditions and then slaughtered without any regard for the fact that they feel pain and fear in the same manner that a human being does. And so our attitude in our society towards animals is something that we should probably think carefully about. And that's exactly what Singer invites you to do in this paper. And Singer's argument is very simple and straightforward. He says, why is it that we know that we have ethical responsibilities towards other human beings? Well, each one of us knows that we can feel pain and we can suffer. And we know that, therefore, that other humans also have that capacity. And we feel intuitively that it would be wrong for us to be the cause of that pain or that suffering. Now, you may say, hold on a minute, it's not that, humans are rational or they're intelligent in a way that other things are not, and that's the basis of our responsibility towards them. But it's not really that, right? Because there's human beings who are not intelligent and they're not rational, but we still have an ethical responsibility towards them. For example, small children are neither one. And there's human beings who unfortunately will never be either one. There may have been like a genetic problem, or they may have been an accident of some kind that prevents them from being fully rational or fully intelligent in the way that other adult human beings are. But we still know that we have some kind of ethical duties towards those people. We don't disregard their interests. And what this points to is that the reason that we take other people's interests into account at all, or feel that we have some kind of ethical duties towards them, is because they can suffer and they can feel pain. Animals can as well. Animals can also feel pain. They can also suffer. And they can also be happy if they're left alone, right? If the conditions are right. So Singer suggests that we need to open up our circle of moral concern to extend it past just people and to start having some kind of consideration of the animals that share the earth with us. So I'll let you think about Singer's argument, and we will discuss it on Friday.